Hello everyone, now I am going to explain about the project Intelligent Vending Machine for Real-Time Status Monitoring and Controlling Process using Azure Cloud. Vending machines are the most commonly used self-service technology. They have simple purpose to give our items from their stock in exchange for money or tokens. In this project, we have included the components like Node MCU, DHT11 sensor, vibration sensor, output has a buzzer for vibration sensor, and a smoke sensor. Smart vending machines include different elements to facilitate their normal activities such as sensors for temperatures like this, temperature, humidity, harmful gases detection and stock level controls etc. As I mentioned before, in this project we have used the components like Node MCU. Node MCU is nothing but Node MCU is a node microcontroller unit, is an open source software and hardware development environment. It initially included firmware which runs on the ESP2668266 Wi-Fi SoC, that is system on chip. The Node MCU board has inbuilt low drop voltage regulator which keeps the voltage level at 3.3 volts. Operating voltage of this Node MCU is 3 to 3.3 volts and it has an integrated Wi-Fi network and low energy consumption. It is used in IoT home applications, security alarms, internet and smoke alarms. And then next the DHT11 sensor. DHT11 is used for prototypes, monitoring an ambient temperature and measuring humidity of a given area and provides a calibrated digital signal as an output. It includes a resistive type humidity measurement component and temperature measurement component and a high performance 8-bit microcontroller inside. And the temperature sensing range of this DHT11 is 0 to 50 degrees Celsius. The humidity range is from 20% to 90% with an accuracy of plus or minus 5%. It is having 3 pins. One is the data pin and the VCC and the ground. Next, the vibration sensor. The vibration sensor measures vibration levels in machinery for screening and analysis. They have a transducer that converts a mechanical force caused by the vibration or a change in motion into an electrical current using an piezoelectric effect. Operating voltage 18 to 30 volts and with a 2 to 10 milliamps of current. Sensitivity is 100 MV per G. Frequency band ranges from 1 Hz to 8000 Hz. Now when it comes to the gas sensor that we have used, a gas sensor is a device which is able to detect the presence of certain gases in a control volume. Its operating voltage is 5 volts and it is having the 4 pins. Those pins are like VCC, ground and the data pin and analog pin. Its reading range is 0 to 5 parts per million. And for the output of the vibration sensor, we used a buzzer. A buzzer is a device that creates an audible tone under the influence applied external voltage. It converts a signal from audio to sound it is connected to the vibration sensor. It is connected to the 3 sensors. Those are namely DHT11 sensor, gas sensor and the vibration sensor. The DHT11 sensor is connected to the D4 data pin of the Node MCU and the remaining 2 pins are connected to the ground and the VCC pins. The vibration sensor is connected to the D2 data pin of the Node MCU and the output of the sensor is connected to the buzzer and the buzzer is connected to the D0 pin data pin of the Node MCU. So that it indicates if any vibration is occurred in the machine, the buzzer will get a beep sound. So the gas sensor is connected to the D1 pin of the Node MCU and it is used to send the alerts and email notification in case of any gas detection of the system. The VCC and ground pins of the gas sensor are also connected in the board as shown. And the vibration sensor, temperature sensor, that is DHT11 sensor, VCC and ground pins are also connected here. So these 3 sensors are programmed and connected to the cloud through IoT central application so that the smart vending machine can be monitored continuously like the temperature and humidity, and if in case of any gas detection it can send alerts. If in case any threats happen to the machine, the vibration sensor gives the output as a buzzer. In this way we can increase the safety and security of the vending machines. Here you can see the Microsoft Azure portal. In this, we are having the Azure resources like resource groups and IoT central applications. Now we need to select the IoT central applications. In this, we need to create an IoT central application. Here you can see the fields that has to be filled, like resource groups. We need to create a resource group and we need to give the resource name, and in the same way give the application URL also. It can be anything. Now just select the custom application template in the region Southeast Asia. Then next, review and create. After that we can see the validation passed as on the above, and then create. Here you can see that deployment is in progress. Now just wait for a few seconds. After deployment, now go to the resource, select IoT Central Application URL. Here you can see the devices that we have created previously. Now change the device name and the device ID. Now click on create. The device has been created. Now connect it with your device. We need to edit the scope ID and the device ID in our code in order to connect. In the same way, copy the primary key and edit it with the previous one. Now compile and verify. Here the code has been successfully compiled. Now just upload the code. Now go to the device templates and create a new template. Select the IoT device. Next, customize. Now give the device template name. Next, review. Create a custom model. So now here add the capabilities. Those are like temperature, and give the semantic type as a temperature. Add another capability, that is humidity, and the semantic type has humidity. Add another capability, that is event, and the semantic type is event. Here we have taken the event for gas sensor. Now save it. Go to the views, generate default views. Now generate default dashboard views. Now publish. Here the three, that is device template, interfaces and views, has to be yes. Then publish. Now go to the devices. Here you can see the raw data. Uh, these are the default dashboards that have been generated from our parameters readings. These are the different parameter readings and their overall representation average values. Here you can see the temperature readings means those average values like 31.876 like that. When it comes to the humidity representation, we can see the average value of our sensor readings and also the event that is a gas sensor output. As of now, no gas detected. The event is still in 0. If any gas has been detected, then it event will be considered as 1. Here you can see the overall representations of the three parameters, that is gas sensor output, that is event, humidity and the temperature readings. So we can also create rules or alerts for the parameters. Click on rules. Now create a rule, enter a rule name, that can be anything. Here we have taken alert and select the device template that you have created. Now apply any of the conditions are true option and select the telemetry data, that is an event. Select operator. We can take any of the value. Now enter the specific value. So in the actions we can see that email notification will be sent to the email that we have given in this portal. Now give any email as shown in the example and add a note as an email. You can give any email and you can send any note with the email. So done. Click on done and save. Here you can see the sample mail. How will get an email alert with the details that we have given. So in case any gas is detected in our device, then in through this portal an alert will be sent to our email. This is about our project Intelligent Vending Machine for real-time status monitoring and controlling process by making use of Azure Cloud Platform. Thank you.